Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking at Efia. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I want to share with you how I make this peanut butter, a simple way of doing your own peanut butter at home. And I know after watching this video, you're going to love making your own peanut butter at home. Trust me, you're going to love that. If you are new to this channel, welcome to Cooking with Efia. This is a foodie channel and I know you're going to love staying here. And to my returning subscribers, thank you and I love you so much. Subscribe for more videos like this. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm removing some unwanted particles which I don't need in my peanuts. So I'm going to remove everything until everything is nicely done. As you can see, I just found some unwanted particles. That's what I'm talking about. This is more like a stone. So you have to take your time to remove everything you don't want in your peanut before you roast it here. So that's what I'm doing right now. So this is what I was talking about. This is what I don't need in my peanuts. Next, I'm going to roast my peanuts on a low heat. Make sure your fire is very low before you even start stirring your peanut, because you don't want to burn it. If you burn this peanut, you're going to have a sour taste at the end of your batter, so we don't want that. As you can see, I'm trying to peel the skin from the peanut and it's not going through. That means we just started roasting it. It's not ready yet. So after it's ready, when you peel it, you can easily peel the skin out of it, and that means your peanut is ready. So you continue to stir this until you hear the sounds from the peanut. So this means your peanut is almost ready. So I will check if it's ready now by peeling off the skin. As you can see, the skin came out beautifully. That means your peanut is ready. But I will roast this for extra 5 minutes on a low heat, as I said. Remember to stir this. Don't leave this on fire because you're going to burn it. Continue to stir until everything is nice and ready. So I will check for it again and my peanut is ready and all set. So I will set this aside for you to cool down before I will do anything else. Next, I will put all my roasted peanuts in a napkin or anything you can get your hands on, whether being a cloth or anything. So I'm going to rub this using my hand. With this rubbing method, you can get almost all the peanuts peeled very nicely, and it is the fastest way to peel your peanuts. If you are doing a bunch of peanut butter, this is the perfect way to do it. Rubbing it in a clean napkin is the best way, trust me. So you can see a lot of it has peeled. I don't mind blending it this way, but you can go ahead and peel it until everything is nice and well done. But for me, I'm going with this consistency. Next, I'm going to blow air in my peanut to get all the peeled skin out of it. This is how we do it in the garden room, just as I'm doing right now. So as you can see, everything is nice and well cleaned. So next, I'm going to get my blender and add my peanut to it. I'm not going to blend everything because my blender can't contain all of these peanuts. I have to do it little by little. So I just have 1 cup of peanuts in my blender. To that, I'll add in 2 tablespoons of salt to it and blend until everything becomes smooth and creamy. So after 5 minutes of blending this peanuts, just look at how nice and creamy it has become. So I'm checking if it's ready, but yes, still I have some lumps in it, as you can see. So I'm going to blend this for extra 2 minutes to become very smooth. And yes, our peanut butter is ready after extra 2 minutes, and just look at how creamy this looks. Yes, you can make your own peanut butter at home with just 2 ingredients, a salt and a peanut. Try this recipe at home and leave a comment down below in the comment section. This is way better and cheaper than the ones or the butter we already buy from the market. Buy your own peanut, make your own peanut butter at home and save money. This economy is becoming so hard, so save money for the future as well. If you want more of this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this. And to my returning subscribers, as I said, I love you guys. You guys are always the best. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Bye bye and stay blessed.